Hello, friends. Greetings from the World Evangelical Alliance Youth Commission. Merry Christmas. As we celebrate this beautiful season, I want to share a simple but powerful reminder. What we need most, all of us carry different needs today: rest, healing, direction, hope. These are real needs, and God cares about each one. But Christmas tells us something deeper. What we need most is Jesus. The angel told Joseph, call him Jesus, for he will save his people from their sins. He came not just to fix our circumstances or problems, but to transform our hearts. We all wrestle with fears, failures, and the brokenness we cannot repair. Sin is more than a mistake, it's a burden we cannot carry alone. But the good news is this: Jesus came to save us, to restore us, and make us whole. Christmas also declares another truth: Jesus is Emmanuel, God with us. Even when we feel alone, overwhelmed, or unsure, God has drawn near. His presence is present in our homes, our families, and our deepest struggle, and has moved into our neighborhood. So this Christmas, may you experience two gifts: Jesus who saves and Jesus who stays. May his peace fill your home, his joy lift your heart, and his love remind you that you are not alone. From our family to yours, Merry Christmas, and may Christ be your greatest gift this season. May God bless you all.